Well, hey there, pharmacy owners. Dr. Lisa Faast here from DiversifyRx. And I'm doing a video that was inspired by my sweet dear friend and colleague, pharmacist Angela Orr. She posted a video yesterday that kind of just like was one of those that hit home. And it was about how she is stopping being humble. And I think humbleness is something that really, really plagues the pharmacy space, pharmacists and pharmacy owners alike. And I thought I would just give like my 2 cents onto this. She did a wonderful video. We'll post to it in the comments below this one. But it was really about we need to take credit for the awesomeness that we are. And I know I struggle with this, and I know lots of pharmacists do, because we are a very natural, humble profession. It's kind of why we've ended up on the bottom of the totem poles, because we're not ready, we're not willing to kind of shake our hands. I think that's really starting to shift, and that's been so exciting to watch the pharmacy space do that. But on an individual level, I think so many of us don't take credit for what we do. I know I talk to pharmacy owners all the time about take credit what you do. So many of you do so many great things for patients, and you keep it secret. You never tell anybody. You don't tell your community. I know one of the big things is like pharmacies that help with finding drug coupons, or they find them the cheapest, cost product, or they help with prior authorizations or those kinds of things. Like there's so much back end work that we do, and yet we don't even tell the patient that we helped, that we did this, and much less tell the whole community, because we're just humble. But we have got to get rid of the humbleness. Now, we don't need to be arrogant assholes, but we don't need to be so humble, and I need to swallow that pill for myself and diversify. And so, as Angela stated in her video, like, she's awesome. She brings a ton of awesomeness to her clients. I know when we did a mastermind with our members, many of our members just raved about Angela, and she does the type of work that is so needed, that is so outside of my wheelhouse. I feel like it's magic to me, but I need to step up, and I need to step up and say, hey, I'm awesome. And I will tell you that myself and my entire team at DiversifyRx, there is nobody better on this planet to help retail independent pharmacy owners make their pharmacies better. Like, I can draw a line in the sand and say that. Are we the expert in everything? No. But are we the expert at helping pharmacies like not close, make more money, and love pharmacy ownership again? Absolutely, yes. So what are you the best at? How can you declare that to your community? And it may feel weird. Like, I feel a little weird right now. There's little tingles. Because it's just a little bit out of our comfort zone, but you're probably the best in something. Maybe you do amazing free delivery. You're like Jimmy John's. Like, Jimmy John's has this great whole marketing campaign around their delivery. How can you own that? If you're that pharmacy that can, deliver in an hour, like, what hill are you willing to die on that you are the best in your community? And let's talk about that. Let's get comfortable talking about that and saying that we're awesome. Do you have the best weight loss program around? Some of you are doing amazing things with weight loss. I mean, you are putting together entire packages. You have in-body machines, you have supplements, you have obviously all the medication. Like, you guys are doing some amazing things. And I just think us as a profession, not just with each other, I think the industry has done a really good move of like, we're advocating for ourselves as pharmacists in the industry, but I think we need to bring that down to that pharmacy owner level where you advocate for your awesomeness inside your own community. It's going to feel a little weird, but you are. I guarantee you're the best at something in your community. And if you really feel like you're not, then call us. We'll help you figure out what that is, because I bet you that you are. And maybe you're like Blueberry Pharmacy and you got the cash only, completely transparent pricing. Maybe that's your thing. Maybe you're the compounder and you've got the latest technology. You've got the Maz machine. You're doing films. Like, you're doing amazing things. Like, shout from the rooftops. We just don't highlight our awesomeness enough. So this is your sign. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. And again, thanks to Angela for kind of putting it on my heart yesterday, and now I'm putting it on yours. Shout from the rooftops. Let everybody know what your awesome is at. I'm going to do a better job of making sure everybody knows how awesome we are. We've helped hundreds of pharmacy owners. Like, it's just amazing. We've helped them make money. We've helped them stop losing money. We've helped them just love pharmacy ownership again. And that's really ultimately what our goal is here at DiversifyRx. So Anyways, here's your sign. Stop being humble. Go be awesome. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.